Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making a super simple marinade slash salad dressing base made from literally 4 ingredients. It's super simple, really healthy, really nourishing, really heating. It contains equal amounts of garlic and ginger. So here we're using the organic garlic and ginger, thus that's why I've left the peel on the ginger, as well as lemon juice and olive oil. We will put them all in the food processor and start blending, and then we will have this kind of really creamy base. We can store this in the fridge in a mason jar, or put it in ice cube molds or silicone molds in the freezer, like as in freeze it individually, and that way we can take 1 or 2 out and wait for them to frost or heat them, and yeah, we have the marinade ready to go. And you might want to add some garam masala spices with it, just depends on what you're marinating. If you're marinating more like of an Asian veggie mix, then you might want to go with the soy sauce as well after using the garlic paste. If you're marinating using some sort of Asian or Indian style tikka, you might want to add garam masala. It works really great. So a lot of people have also reported that they've also lost weight using this marinade, and that way they use it as a base for salad dressing. So they take 1 tablespoon, for example, put extra lemon juice, extra olive oil, a little bit of, spices here and there, depending. I do apologize on the noise in the background, and I really do hope that the message and the recipe did come through. It is a very quick and easy recipe, and I just wanted to share that with you. If you enjoy the content of this channel, please do subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and bye bye.